Hi guys, hello. I'm in my garage right now. I'm just showing you a few stuff because the stuff I'm gonna show you guys, it's in here in the garage. We have 5 chicks, they're babies. We got them when they were a few days old. And that's why we have to put them in a garage because outside it's kind of chilly. My husband decided to have chickens. That's why he made this house. So they're gonna be in a garage for a few more weeks, maybe like 2 weeks, maybe less. So let me show you guys my chickens. They're so cute. We have the chickens for food. They're not the pet, okay guys? So let me show you guys. So here they are, right here. As you can see, I have a light for them. See, that's the light, so they stay warm. This is my chickens. Look, you guys see them? They're a lot bigger now than we have them. Look, they have a mirror. We put mirror there so they can see themselves. And they have their food, water. My hubby just changed their bedding. I think I scared him. Yeah, we have 5. So we don't even know what's the gender on the chicken. So we're gonna wait until they give some eggs, means female. We don't know. If we don't have a male, they can have egg. Right, guys? Yeah, there's my chicks. Cover them a little bit. And we have the temperature over here. See? The temperature right now, where they at? It's 78.4. So it's kind of chilly. So, and then next I'm gonna show you guys my their house. Finally, my husband finished it. All right, guys, we'll be back. Is to show you my chicken house that my husband made. So let's go, guys. It's kind of windy today, so let me show you. I'm gonna show you guys where my chicken's gonna stay when they get bigger a little bit. Alright guys, let's go out there. So this is the house. This is the house my husband made. This is our chicken's house. I can even live there. Just I fit there when I go inside. I really fit in there. So this is the door. Look guys, I really fit in here. Let me show you guys going in. Look, so I'm going into the chicken's house. Watch, I don't even have to bend over. It's my size. Look. Isn't that funny? And I told my husband, are you sure it's for the chicken or for not me? It's not for me. Are you gonna kick me out of my house? He laughed. He started laughing. Look, this could be my house, right, guys? So I'm gonna show you guys the bedding, where they're gonna stay. We're gonna put their bed. So here it is, guys. They're gonna stay. This is their bed, and they have the stairs there. There's stairs. My husband did really good in this house. Look at my doggy. Hi, Jake. So look, this is the inside of their house. We're gonna put some bedding in here, and then where they're gonna have their egg, it's gonna be here also. So, I'm really excited. I'm gonna excited about these chickens. So, isn't that crazy that I fit in here? So let's go out. Go out. Let's lock it because my dog might get in here. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys while my chickens when they're gonna grow, have their egg. So he did pretty good this house, and the roof is yellow and really cool, huh? And then I have their house. They have a window too. This is where we're gonna open and get their egg or clean their bedding. See, look, this is another door, so we don't have to go inside, we just go on this door. Really cool. I told him I'm gonna decorate for Christmas decoration. He thinks I'm crazy. So this is the chicken's house. We might buy some more chickens. Let's see how they're gonna do on that house. Alright guys, we'll be back. Hi guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video today. I show you my chickens. I thought I'd do my really quick video about my chickens. So you guys have a good day guys. Bye.